Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I want to show you how to change your banking screen or your bank transaction screen so that you see your blue boxes. In my case, I have one blue box, but you get the idea. To get this to display, if it's not currently displaying for you, you want to click on this drop down right here. You want to say show account cards. So this is what it looks like when you have no blue boxes. If you click on show account cards, you'll get the blue boxes. So if you find yourself struggling because you've seen YouTube videos where the blue box exists, but for you it doesn't, now you know how to enable and disable that. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Thanks.